Okay, so here we have the guitar. No, okay, you know that. This part of the guitar is called the body, big body. Then you have a neck, like a giraffe's neck. And then this part is called the head. These are called tuners. Why? Because you tune each string. There are 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll tell you what they are now. On the neck, you have sections called frets. That's fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4, 5. And the interesting thing is you see dots here. That dot is on the 3rd fret. That one's on the 5th fret, the 7th fret, the 9th fret, and the 12th fret. The 12th fret and the open string sound the same, just higher. Listen. It's an E. Play the 12th fret, same. This one's an A. D, G, B, and E. These two are the same. The first string, sorry, that one's the first one, and the 6th string. They're both E's. Okay, another interesting thing is some guitars have the dots over here. They're the same as on the actual fretboard. So that when you play like this, you don't have to look at what fret you are on like that. You can just look over here and you can see here are the dots on the fretboard. There's the hole of the guitar, the sound hole. This thing is called the bridge. Okay, and that's it. Some guitars have pickups in it. That's a little control panel. It has a tuner in where you can tune the guitar, and it also has a pickup under this part here that picks up the sound, so that you can actually plug a cord in here and you can have an electric sounding acoustic guitar. That's basically your guitar. Next, I'm going to show you how to tune it.